Today I am reviewing the STGAubron Gaming PC Desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a high-performance gaming desktop that can handle everything from AAA gaming to creative workloads, the STGAubron Gaming PC is built to impress. With a clean, white chassis and 6 RGB fans, this machine doesn't just perform, it looks spectacular on your desk. At the heart of this system is the Intel Xeon E5 processor, running at 2.5 GHz and turbo boosting up to 3.3 GHz. While Xeon chips are traditionally seen in professional workstations, this one packs enough power to handle both demanding games and heavy multitasking. Paired with 32 GB of RAM, this desktop ensures smooth performance whether you're gaming, editing videos, running virtual machines, or handling large datasets. You'll have more than enough memory to keep multiple applications open without any slowdown. Storage is handled by a 1TB SSD, delivering fast boot times, quick file access, and near-instant load speeds for all your favorite games and software. You won't have to worry about waiting on system responsiveness or dealing with the lag that comes with traditional hard drives. For gaming, the AMD Radeon RX 598GB graphics card provides solid performance at 1080p and even 1440p gaming. Titles like Fortnite, Call of Duty Warzone, Escape from Tarkov, GTA 5, Valorant, and Apex Legends all run smoothly, often hitting well over 60 frames per second. With this GPU, you can also enjoy enhanced graphics settings, better visuals, and fluid gameplay without tearing or stuttering. Connectivity is another strong point. This desktop comes equipped with Wi-Fi 600M, Bluetooth 5.0, HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI, and RJ45, giving you plenty of options for monitors, peripherals, and network connections. The RGB fan setup not only improves cooling, but also adds a vibrant, gaming-centric aesthetic, and it complements the included RGB mouse and keyboard, making this a complete setup right out of the box. The STGAubron Gaming PC isn't just for gamers. Its powerful Xeon processor and 32 GB of memory make it perfect for photo and video editing, streaming, day trading, crypto trading, and business applications. You can run multiple applications simultaneously without worry, and the system's reliability ensures that it can handle prolonged usage without overheating, thanks to its smart cooling design. Finally, the system comes with Windows 11 Home pre-installed, giving you the latest features, security, and compatibility with modern applications and games. On top of that, you get a 1-year parts and labor warranty and lifetime technical support, so any issues that arise can be handled quickly and efficiently. In summary, the STGAubron Gaming PC Desktop combines powerful hardware, stunning visuals, smooth gameplay, and thoughtful design into one complete package. It's an excellent choice for gamers, content creators, and anyone looking for a reliable desktop that can handle demanding tasks with ease. From casual gaming to professional work, this desktop ensures you'll never be held back by performance limitations.